If you're looking into live streaming and you need a capture card, you've probably already been to Amazon and have realized there's a big price difference, $120 and $20. And so naturally you're going to think the $20 capture card is trash, and you're going to maybe default to the $120 capture card. What I want to tell you is that this $20 capture card is actually surprisingly fast. Oh man, why can't I just do this? So whether you are streaming for your church, your organization, or even gaming, this capture card is going to work for you. In fact, it's worked for us for the last 3 years. So I know you're looking at me and you're thinking you don't believe me at all, because this is only $20 and there are multiple different companies on Amazon selling them and they look identical and they are unbranded. That is true. But let's jump into the footage and I'll show you the comparison videos between the two. Alright, so you saw the comparison videos. I'm going to leave this one up to you guys, but I don't want to throw any shade on Elgato or this Camlink here. They are a very good high-performance video capture card. They make other good quality products, so I'm not downing Elgato here. This is a good capture card, but for $120 you may not have that in your budget. And so what I am saying in this video is that you can use this $20 capture card and it will work for you. The caveat is I've had 2 of these, and the second one that we had froze up on us. It stopped working completely. So that's why we defaulted and got scared and bought something more expensive. But this one continues to chug along and we have had no issues with it. So again, this is unbranded. I'm going to leave a link in the description so I can show you which ones we've bought. But again, the decision's totally up to you guys. I'm not saying one's better than the other. Just this is less expensive and it will work. So thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.